Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You must check authorization first. Ask the proctor or read the exam instructions so you don't risk disqualification. Once allowed, set your phone to the specific mode required: airplane for no signals, do not disturb for silencing, or the approved exam app if indicated. Keep your ID and any written permission visible, and plug in or bring a charged battery pack. This ensures compliance and reduces distractions, so you can focus on the test content without surprise. Once permissions are clear, prepare the useful features you may legally use. For example, install or open the approved calculator, timer, or accessibility app and verify it works offline. Test brightness and volume so alerts won't interrupt others, and confirm app permissions won't trigger notifications. Arrange any allowed quick reference materials in the app's permitted format. Avoid storing forbidden notes. This preparation prevents technical delays and keeps you within the rules, letting you rely on your device for legitimate support. As the exam begins, place your phone exactly where the proctor requested and keep it visible. Do not conceal it or access unauthorized material. If the device malfunctions, tell the proctor at once so they can help. Do not attempt covert fixes. If connectivity or battery fails, switch to your backup plan: paper timer, spare battery, or permitted manual tools. This approach protects your integrity, avoids penalties, and ensures you can complete the test with minimal disruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.